Welcome kit distribution process. Select the sanction order, select the training center. Select the batch list. Click Search. Below, you will see the candidate list for welcome kit distribution. Select the candidate using the checkbox. Select Uniform. Select TLM. Select the list of entitlements. Select the training plan. Select the list of contacts. Select trade information. Select do's and don'ts. Upload the welcome kit acknowledgement. Once the acknowledgement is uploaded, the details cannot be changed. Click Submit. Repeat the same process for each candidate by selecting the candidate and clicking Submit.